Hi folks, I managed to capture some material being ejected off the surface of the moon. I don't know whether it's a volcano or meteorite coming in or something to a UFO taking off, and I've caught the tail end of it. Absolutely amazing. There it is. It was a meteorite. It was on its way to Earth, and I think it's crashed into the moon and just saved us from complete annihilation. Anyway, it's the backside of the moon at the back of Poseidon's crater. If you want to go and see if you can find anything out about that. I've not heard anything on the media about it, but I managed to capture it. I'm using a special filter as well. It brings out the detail of the moon. It's absolutely amazing. That crater there with the crater in the centre of it, that's Cassini crater. These mountains are the Apennine mountain range. And I've just want to show you some craters that show you its convex structure, which I find unusual because these craters are lava filled. So you'd expect the crater floors to be flat, and they're not. They're convex. You'd expect the lava to run downhill, wouldn't you, and congregate around the bottom walls of the crater, but that's not the case. So there's one there. I'm going to get in a bit closer at that one there. And by the way, I'm going to stick this footage, I don't know if I've already said, but I'm going to stick it on my YouTube channel and let it run. There's about 8 minutes worth, but it's absolutely fantastic views of the moon. And this is the crater there. You can see the shadows forming over the convex surface of the crater floor, which I find quite unusual. And that crater there, it's the top one, or the large top one there, large top crater. This filter doesn't have bring out the details of the surface, all the shapes, the nooks and the crannies. Let's get in a bit closer at that crater. It's quite a sharp image as well. Not bad footage if I say so myself. So as you notice that crater there, it's just to the, it'll come into view in a minute. That's the one at the top with the shadows. So those shadows are going over a convex surface. So it's as though there's something pushing through the floor of the crater. And here's one normal view, I should say. You see how it's a mound, it's a large mound, and there's like a trough all the way around as though it's been dug out. So it's as though there's something pushing up from underneath the crater, causing the surface to be convex. And you see it now and again. It just makes you wonder what's going on under the surface of those craters. What's under there? Is it something covered up, or is there something ready to explode through? Is there something pushing up through? Is it pressure building up? It's just very unusual. And we've got some in fact the moon's unusual. Anyway, hit the follow button, please like, subscribe, check the full video out on my YouTube. I'm just going to let it run for the 8 minutes and you can just have a good look at it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.